Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Tirunelveli location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for graphic design position. It will be either part-time job or internship at located in Tirunelveli location, Tenkasi. So it is from Pavishna Technologies Private Limited. So coming to a description of the internship or job. Firstly, you need to design original illustrations, 3D renders, color grading photos and photography, and also you need to work on brand design, defining specs and making collaterals, and also you need to create posts for their Instagram or FB or Twitter, and also at last you need to create original visual assets for the YouTube videos, and at last you need to work on converting any idea, brief or rough sketch into finely finished digital artwork such as an Instagram post, poster, infographic or icon tools they use like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, Blender, and also you should also have a look, you should be having a hands-on experience with Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing. So you should be having knowledge on all these video editing platforms like Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing. So interested candidates, please go through with the information provided here, and I'm going to provide the website link to apply for this job, and I'm going to provide that website link in the description. You can have a look on the description for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for embryologist position. It is from Aishwarya Fertility Center located in Tirunelveli. So they are looking for fresher science graduates with interest in medical field. So it is in the Department of Human Embryology Lab, IVF. So contract will be 5 years. So similar to bond it will be, and they are going to provide 3 months training period with the stipend. It is it is in anywhere in India. So work location will be anywhere in India. So the candidates will be willing to relocate in any of their branches if needed arises. So these are the details about this job opening. So interested candidates, if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference. You can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position. It is from Tata Sky located in Tirunelveli. So a role will be team leaders and promoters, and it is for the rural promotion channel, and any degree candidates are eligible to apply for this sales executive position. You can check with the locations provided here. So it is available in all these locations provided here like Tirunelveli, Palaya, Kottai location, and other locations are provided here. So you can have a look on the details provided here, and for more detailed information in order to apply for this sales executive position, you can visit the official website link, and it is available in the description. So you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for medical officer position. It is from Here and Now the French Institute located in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. So they are going to offer a salary will be 45,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, screening and triage of patients with a thorough history taking, risk assessment, examination and investigations, and you need to maintain accurate records of patients' contact details, medical history, prescribed medications, and allergies diagnosis and progress, and coordinate with the other team members, nursing, paramedical team for diagnostics and investigations and referrals, and promoting training, CME, health education for all staff, and support patients in proactive chronic disease management. So this is about the job description. Next, coming to qualification and skills details. So So to apply for this position, you should be having a MBBS or MD degree with valid state or MCA registration, and the candidate should have minimum 3 to 5 years of working experience in hospitals and primary care or community outreach clinics, and also prior experience as factory medical officer with EMR, digital health, and working as telemedicine physician would be an added advantage, and also ability to consult with patients and collaborating with the team members, mentors in fast-paced, high-pressure and self-motivated environment, and requires excellent communication skills, being attentive, showing empathy, and be compassionate towards patients, caregivers, and you should be knowing the languages like Tamil or English and Hindi would be a plus. So it will be given advantage for this job. So interested candidates, so please go through with the information provided here, and if you want to know other detailed information, or if you want to apply for this medical officer position, you can visit the official website link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description for applying this medical officer position. So you can have a look on the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position. It is from Elu Cards located in Kailasapuram TVL, Tamil Nadu location. So they are going to offer a salary range between 12,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. So qualification will be any degree, and they are going to provide good salary, and it will be based on the industry and also along with incentives, and you should be having minimum 2 years of experience in sales and marketing field. So fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this sales executive position, and the candidate should be having good communication skills with the sales knowledge is required. And if you want to apply for this sales executive position, you can apply through the link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing supervisor position. It is from Hargust Industrial Supplies Private Limited, located in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. So coming to job description, increase sales by bringing new client base and market the company brand image and develop new business opportunities and teamwork, ability to work at flexible hours. The person shall be within India and be compensated based on the distribution of products, and the profit commission shall also be provided based on percentage of goods sold. So this is about the job description. You please go through with the information provided here, and in order to apply for this marketing supervisor position, you can apply through the link. I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description for the website link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.